A wolf sees a coyote at the edge of its territory. The coyote is smaller. It eats some of the same animals. It may steal food from a carcass. It may wander too close to a den. The wolf charges. What happens next can look like a hunting scene. The coyote runs. The wolf catches it. The fight is fast, brutal, and dangerous. But then something strange can happen. The wolf may kill the coyote and walk away. No meal, no feeding, no celebration. So why? Why do predators spend so much of their lives hunting deer, zebras, rabbits, fish, and other prey animals, but often avoid eating the animals that hunt just like they do? At first, it seems like a simple rule. Predators eat herbivores. Predators do not eat predators. But that rule is not actually true. Predators absolutely eat other predators. Sharks can eat smaller sharks. Big fish eat smaller fish that are predators themselves. Spiders eat other spiders. Owls can eat smaller birds of prey. Wolves kill coyotes. Cougars may kill smaller carnivores. Lions and hyenas can attack one another. And in some species, animals even eat members of their own kind. Nature has a name for one of these relationships: intraguild predation. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Two predators may compete for the same prey, while one predator is also capable of killing and eating the other. A wolf and a coyote both hunt small mammals and scavenge carcasses. A lion and a hyena may compete around a kill. A larger spider and a smaller spider may both hunt insects. They are rivals, but one can also become food for the other. So the real question is not why predators never eat predators. The real question is why they usually do not make predators their main target. And the answer begins with danger. Imagine you are a lion deciding what to hunt. On one side of the grassland is a zebra. It is large, fast, alert, and powerful enough to injure you with a kick. Hunting it is risky. But on the other side is a hyena. The hyena is also fast. It has powerful jaws. It may have a clan nearby. It understands the same hunting ground you do. It knows how to fight. And unlike a zebra, it is not simply trying to escape. It can fight back with the tools of a predator. That is what makes hunting another predator so expensive. Predators are often armed. They have teeth made for tearing, claws made for gripping, venom, armor, speed, strong necks, quick reactions, pack members, defensive behavior shaped by generations of surviving attacks. A deer can be dangerous. A zebra can be dangerous. A moose can be extremely dangerous. But another predator may be dangerous in a more personal way. It understands the game. It knows how to dodge a bite. It knows where to strike. It may attack the eyes, throat, legs, or belly. It may call for help. It may have no choice but to fight with everything it has. For a wild animal, injuries are not minor problems. A broken tooth can make eating difficult. A damaged leg can make hunting impossible. An infected wound can become deadly. A torn muscle can turn a successful hunter into an animal that cannot keep up with its prey. That means every hunt is a calculation. How much food will this animal provide? How much energy will it cost? How likely am I to get hurt? A predator may be edible, but that does not mean it is worth the risk. This is why plant eaters often make better prey. A deer may be fast, but it is also a package of food built from plants. A zebra turns grass into muscle. A rabbit turns leaves into meat. A fish turns tiny organisms into body mass. They are lower on the food chain. And that matters because more energy is available lower down. Every time energy moves through a food chain, much of it is used up. Plants capture energy. Plant eaters use most of it to survive. Predators eat plant eaters, but only part of that energy becomes predator tissue. By the time you reach a top predator, there is less food available in the system. That is why ecosystems can support many plants, fewer herbivores, fewer medium predators, and only a small number of apex predators. A lion is not just difficult to kill. It is also an inefficient meal compared with the prey beneath it. If a predator needs food, it usually makes more sense to hunt the animals that are more common, less dangerous, and closer to the bottom of the food chain. That is why a wolf pack can survive by hunting elk, deer, or moose. It does not need to hunt other wolf packs for dinner. The deer are the energy source. The wolves are the energy spenders. But if hunting predators is so risky, why do wolves kill coyotes at all? Because food is not the only thing worth fighting over. Territory matters. A territory can contain prey, water, den sites, shelter, travel routes, and safe places to raise young. If another predator enters that space, it may not need to steal a single meal to become a problem. Just being there can mean more competition. A coyote hunting mice is one thing. A coyote hunting mice in the middle of wolf territory is another. The wolf may see the coyote as a competitor now and an even bigger competitor later. The same logic can apply around a carcass. A large kill is more than food. It is a temporary treasure. Scavengers arrive. Rival predators arrive. Everyone knows that calories are sitting in one place, and everyone wants a share. That can lead to fights that have nothing to do with wanting to eat the other animal. A wolf may kill a coyote to remove a competitor from a carcass. A lion may attack a hyena to protect food. A larger predator may chase away a smaller one simply to make the area less crowded. In these moments, killing is about control, not hunger. That difference is important. Humans often imagine that an animal kills only because it wants to eat. But animals can also kill in defense. Territorial conflict, competition, protection of young, or panic. A predator does not need to be hungry to see another predator as a threat. And when the fight is over, the body may be left behind. That can seem wasteful to us, but nature is not trying to avoid waste. Nature is trying to keep animals alive long enough to reproduce. If killing a rival protects a den, a territory, or future access to food, the action may still make sense even without feeding. Then there's another problem. Predators are often scarce. A herd of zebras may contain dozens or hundreds of animals. A deer population may spread across a forest. Fish schools can contain thousands of individuals, but large predators usually live at lower densities. There may be many prey animals in a landscape and only a handful of wolves. Many antelope and only a few lions. Many seals and only a few large sharks. That means predators are harder to find. And animals do not usually build their feeding strategy around prey they rarely encounter. A leopard does not wake up and expect to find another leopard wandering through the trees. A wolf does not expect a new wolf pack to appear every day. A tiger may defend a huge territory partly because other tigers are already far apart. The animals predators eat most often are not only safer, they are available. But there are moments when the normal rules break. When food becomes scarce, animals may take risks they usually avoid. A starving predator may scavenge almost anything. A shark may eat another shark. A large cat may consume a rival carnivore. A bird of prey may attack another bird. A spider may eat a smaller spider. And then there is cannibalism. It feels shocking because humans treat it as a special horror. In the animal kingdom, it can be a survival strategy. Some animals eat eggs, young, rivals, or weaker members of their own species under certain conditions. This does not mean they prefer it. It means nature can become desperate. When food is limited, when individuals are crowded together, or when an easy opportunity appears, a predator may become a meal even for its own kind. But once again, it is usually not the normal plan. It is the exception that appears when pressure rises. The most interesting examples may be the ones where predators kill each other without eating. Wolves are a clear case. In Yellowstone, wolves can kill other wolves, coyotes, and sometimes other carnivores. These events are usually connected to territorial conflict or competition around carcasses. A wolf pack is not only a hunting team. It is a family defending an area. It has pups to protect. It has food sources to control. It has boundaries that other wolves and coyotes may cross. For a coyote, avoiding wolves can be a survival strategy all by itself. The coyote may still live in the same broader landscape. It may still use nearby areas. But it has to read the map differently. Places that offer food may also carry danger. A wolf scent trail can mean, do not stay here. That is a reminder that predators do not simply occupy the top of a food chain like kings on thrones. They are also vulnerable. They can be injured, starved, displaced, killed by rivals, killed by members of their own species, killed because another predator wants the same meal, the same territory, or the same future. So why do predators usually hunt herbivores instead of each other? Because herbivores are often the better bargain. They are usually more numerous. They represent energy gathered from plants. They may be dangerous, but they are often less specialized for killing a hunter. And when a predator does attack another predator, the reason may be much bigger than food. It may be about space. It may be about offspring. It may be about a carcass. It may be about removing competition before competition removes you. The next time you see a wolf chasing a coyote or a lion confronting a hyena, do not assume you are watching a hunt. You may be watching a border dispute. You may be watching two hunters argue over the same food web, and sometimes in the wild, the most dangerous thing in a predator's life is not the prey it chases. It is another predator that wants exactly the same thing. Which predator rivalry would you least want to see up close? Wolf and coyote, lion and hyena, tiger and leopard, or shark and shark? Leave your answer in the comments and subscribe to Andy for more strange answers from the wild.